Alright, in this problem we are dividing. So just like when we are dividing without the polynomials, same thing if we were multiplying, let's say 2/3 times, or divided by 3/4 here. We have to change a division problem to a multiplication and then switch only the second fraction. So same thing is going to apply here. And then after we've done that, we can divide out the common factors. This particular problem here doesn't have anything. And then we multiply straight across. Well, same thing here. We need to change this to a multiplication, and we need to flip this fraction. So now we have this. Now we need to have everything in factored form. So here this is a trinomial, so we're looking for what multiplies to -12 and adds to 1. So x plus 4 times x minus 3 would work. Here we have a difference of two squares, so we have a minus sign. And I know that 3 times 3 is 9, so we can rewrite that as x plus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, over here we have a binomial, so we're looking for a GCF of 3 and 9, so 3. And they both have x's, so x is in common. And then we have x plus 3 here. And now the denominator here, 6 and 24, 6 is a GCF, and they both have x's, so they have x squared in common. We take the one with the lowest exponent. Alright, then we extend our line, because now we're multiplying, because we changed the division to a multiplication, and whatever's in the numerator that is the same in the denominator we can cross out. So we can get rid of the x minus 3 and this x minus 3, this x plus 3 and this x plus 3, this x plus 4 and this x plus 4. And then here we have 3x over 6x squared. So just like last chapter, we took the 3 and the 6, just like coefficients, and we simplify them just like normal. 3/6 is 1/2. And then here, we have an x up here and we have an x squared down here. So one way to think about it is the exponent here is a 1, and so last chapter we learned when we're dividing that we subtract the exponents. So 1 minus 2 is -1, and when we get a negative exponent, it moves to the denominator. The other way to think about it is that we have an x here, and then we have 2 down here. So this one will cancel out with this one, and we're left with just an x in the denominator. So this is our final answer, 1 over 2x.